In this video, I will show you how you can top up to your CPF SA and earn a high 4% interest. But of course, you lock up your money till you become old Apek and old Ama. I will first show you how to top up via the CPF website. Then I will also show you how to top up via the CPF app. Even though I'm not too sure who installs the CPF app. But if you do, good for you! Okay, with that being said, let's jump straight to topping out via the CPF website. First, head over to the CPF website. At the top right, click Login. Then just do your usual SingPass login. At the top, click Tools and Services. Then under Forms and e-Applications, click Find Now. Expand the Save More with CPF. Then you will see cash top-ups and CPF transfers for retirement. Click the Apply Online under it. Take the disclaimer that you are too lazy to read. Then click Start. There are a few methods for topping up here. I recommend using cash top-up via PayNow QR as the transfer will be instant. In-app top-up is not that good as it will take 1 working day to process. Okay, choose cash top-up via PayNow QR. Then click Next. Here, you can make a top-up to either yourself or your loved ones. Just in case you're wondering, your loved ones are your family members like your spouse, your parent, grandparent, parent-in-law, and grandparent-in-law. So you can't transfer your CPF money to your girlfriend or sugar baby. CPF be like, no, we don't do that here. For now, I'll just choose top up to myself. Let's try topping up $1 million. Just kidding, you can't do that. That's because there's a maximum of top-ups that you can receive. If you are below 55, you can only top up to the full retirement sum, which is 192k in 2022. Or if you are 55 and above, you can only top up to the enhanced retirement sum, which is $288,000 in 2022. But I recommend just topping up $8,000. That's because there's a tax relief of up to $8,000 every year when topping up to your CPF SA. So let's try $8,000. Check that your contact details are correct. Under How did you learn of this service, you can just leave it empty. Or you can just tell them that Kelvin sends his regards. Click Next. Check everything is correct. Tick to agree to the terms and conditions that you have not read. Then confirm. CPF will then give you this PayNow QR. You can then scan using any bank app. For example, if you are using POSB app, you can then tap on Scan and Pay, scan the QR code, then just do the transfer. So that's how to do the top up via the CPF website. Next, I will also show you how to top up via the CPF app. First, you will need to download the CPF app from the App Store. Then log in. Tap on the burger icon on the top left. Tap on Services, Cash Top Up and CPF Transfers. Scroll down, then tap Continue. Choose Cash Top Up. Choose whether you want to top up to yourself or your loved ones. Then enter how much you want to top up. Again, I will type in $8,000 because there's a tax relief of up to $8,000 every year when topping up to your CPF SA. You can leave the referral empty, but I will just let them know that I referred myself. Tap Next, tick to agree to the terms and conditions, then tap Next. Check everything is correct, then confirm. Similarly, there are two payment modes here. PayNow QR top-ups are instant, while in-app top-ups will be processed in 1 business day. I recommend using PayNow QR. Tap Next, and they will give you a QR code. Again, you can then scan and top up using any bank app. So that's how to top up using the CPF app. Hopefully, you find this tutorial useful. Like, share, and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.